We just got official word. Tonight's show is sold out.
I know, I've been excited ever since I saw the match card for tonight.
Enough chit-chat, gentlemen. Let's get this show on the road.
And here they come. Trouble.
And at a combined weight of 692
Buddy,
pounds.
you're a boy, make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you. Shouting in the street, gonna take on the world someday. You got blood on your face, a big disgrace, waving your banner.
Look who it is.
And at a combined weight of 412 pounds, high voltage.
Ladies and gentlemen, by night 7 we will crown a new champion. No offense to you, Cole, but part of me wishes Gorilla Monsoon was here for this match, just so we can hear him say, history has been made at the conclusion.
Tornado tag with multiple teams facing off. Things are going to get frantic fast.
Whatever team comes out of this with their hand raised is going to make a strong case for being the best in WWE. Punch!
What a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent.
DDT. Wow. Any predicament.
Stomping the leg. Really just laying it in.
What a punch.
Kick to the gut. Ooh, brutal forearm.
Take a good look at a real-life Titan, folks.
Kick right to the back of the leg. Overhand right lands.
What a shot. Catches a punch.
He's feeling the effects of that last hit.
Nice Russian leg sweep.
Off from the rope.
Both superstars showing great awareness of their opponent's repertoire.
And the ref gets hit with an unintentional shot there. And a kick. Rough landing. He saw it coming, taking advantage. Got to find a way to get out of this.
Hooked up in a pump handle.
Going for a
wasn't enough. He went right into that turnbuckle. Beautiful side Russian leg sweep. Both wrists captured and here it comes. Hooked up. And up and down.
There's the pin. Title on the line. Stops the ref count before 2.
Getting the shoulder up before 2 tells me the end is not near.
He's nowhere near ready to stop fighting yet.
Look out. Backbreaker. Stop.
And one more for good measure. Nothing fancy there.
This isn't the smartest thing to do. Antagonizing your opponent instead of attacking him. Right to the throat. Boom, boom. Persistent barrage.
Golly, that sounded rough. Hip drop. I've been witnessing that. This is gonna hurt.
Tuesday Saito. With the counter. With the championship on the line. DDT. And that'll finally do it. What a victory.
Here are your winners, High Voltage.
He did it. He did it.
Honestly, Michael, there's no way I can think to describe this other than absolute goosebumps.
Then imagine how the new champ must feel, Byron.
A singer in a smoky room. The smell of wine and cheap perfume.
One fall.
For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting, looking down the boulevard. Their shadows searching in the night. Streetlights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night.
Does not know the meaning of the word quit. He is ready for battle.
And his opponent from England, weighing in at 268 pounds,
Some would say the superstar thinks a little too much of themselves, but the tape doesn't lie. This is a serious contender for any title. They need to loosen up, have a little fun, and maybe even lose a match once in a while.
That is horrible advice.
Doesn't matter where or when he's competing. This guy just wants to fight. He's about to give up.
What are you expecting from this superstar tonight, guys?
Well, he did say earlier that he's going to attack his opponent with a renewed hostility that we've never seen before.
Yeah, he also said he's going to make the competition beg for mercy.
Yeah, but meeting him in the ring's quite an obstacle. There's nothing about this superstar that signifies he'll be a pushover.
Can he score the pin? No, a kick out.
He is going to take this match as long and as far as he needs to. Oh, man, you can see he is feeling it now.
Ooh, stiff punch.
Set him up. Russian leg sweep. Oh, that'll weaken your arm. Oh! Into the corner now.
Face first in the turnbuckle.
He's taking some good hits.
This superstar is looking to risk it all. From the second rope, Samoan drop.
And the unabated.
And will this be it?
No, he pops the shoulder before 3.
That was a long 2 count there.
Able to reverse.
Yeah, his instincts are taking over.
He thinks he has it.
And he breaks the count quickly.
I can't believe the ref didn't get 2 here.
The WWE Universe is pouring more fuel on his fire right now.
Shifts it back onto him. Stomping down.
German suplex, but that's not all.
Into a ripcord lariat. What a combination.
Oh, that's how you establish.
And here's a cover. 1, 2. And a kick out.
Couldn't quite slam the door yet. Just stomping every single part of his body.
Boom, right in the button. With the reversal. A flat-out power into the scoop slam.
Pump handle applied. It's about to get worse. Up and
Power slam.
couldn't have done it better myself.
2. Kicks out, just kicked out.
Somehow, some way, escapes defeat.
Still alive.
And look at this now. Bad intentions coming with this hold. After everything these 2 men have been through, will it end like this? Will it end with a submission tap out?
His body might give out at this point.
And watch this. Letting him free.
Had him where he wanted him, but maybe he has something better planned.
Sit out, powerbomb.
He is just reeling from that offense.
There's been plenty of action in this match, and the cost of that is really showing now.
And a drop.
This is it.
1, 2, 3. Emphatic victory.
A singer in a smoky room,
A huge victory.
the smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers dancing.
I kind of did too.
Try to be best, cause you're only a man, and a man's got to learn to take it.
give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us, singing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag.
From Mexico, weighing in at 220 pounds.
When it's no disqualification, that means a competitor can be attacked at will, and it's all legal.
This is when you see just how sadistic a competitor can truly be, and that makes for a frightening scene.
It's anything goes. You have to do whatever it takes to survive this situation.
There's no limit to what someone will do if they are unleashed without restriction.
Arm drag. Tossed into the corner.
Oh, God. Oh, man.
Oh, impressive counter. Oh, catapulting down on the opponent.
Oh, trampling the opposition.
A match like this can have so many twists and turns. Corey, what will have an impact on this matchup?
You need to strike first. Dictate the pace of the match. Since anything goes, you can add anything to the equation.
Each competitor responds differently to the rules being thrown out the window. The key is who can stay alert and remain in control.
I wish someone would throw.
His shoulders are down. And he gets his shoulder up before the count.
A little over-eager with that cover.
Re-entering the ring now.
He's getting a huge boost right now from all those chants and cheers.
And out of the ring he goes. He's taking a moment to feel the crowd, but he better focus on the opposition. Oh, strong impact. Oh, my God. Springboard moonsault. Wow. The damage he's taken is starting to pile up.
He is revving up the engine. He's not going to let anything stop him.
Tilt-a-whirl head scissors.
Right into a kick. Shoulders down. This could be it. 1, 2, 3. No, that was so close.
Too close for comfort.
Oh, looks like we're going to see Salida del Sol. Guys, I think this one's over.
Tied up between the ropes. It's about to get worse. Look at these knee strikes. Punch connects.
The sound of this crowd is deafening, and he's asking for more.
He deflects it right back. He may get the 3 count right here.
This is it.
The pin's broken up. chose a perfectly placed target. Able to get the advantage here.
Oof, kick finds it.
Bad predicament right here.
And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins. Uh-oh, watch out! Double Russian leg sweep. Holy moly, amazing display of athleticism.
Able to avoid there.
Oh, what a right hand!
Shoulders down. 1, 2. Fights out at 2.
Both competitors digging deep into their well to keep this match. No man does that better.
He breaks up the pin, and Corey, the match continues. I love it.
Coming in hot. The sound of this crowd is deafening, and he's asking for more. He's getting a huge boost right now from all those chants and cheers.
He's got the answer for that one.
And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
Oh, look at this roll up. Rolling through into a kick. Does he have him here?
After what we've seen so far, you cannot question the lengths these superstars are willing to go.
The limits of physical exhaustion. Watch through. Up and over. Solia del Sol. The pay window beckons.
What a kick out.
I don't know how he just kicked out, and I'll tell you what, I don't really think he knows either.
And I think to get the pinfall, you have to try that maneuver one more time. What energy in this arena tonight.
I'm getting goosebumps.
Kick lands. Saw that one coming. Took advantage. What a punch.
Forearm connects. Oh, that knee will take the wind right out of you.
He has to be at his limit now.
These are dire straits for him. He needs to be extra cautious now.
He's got him scouted.
Arm system, look at these vicious kicks to the jaw.
Both wrists captured. And
For the win. 2.
Got it. Seize the opportunity in this triple threat match.
Try to be best, cause you're only a man, and a man's got to learn to take it. Try to believe, though the going gets rough, that you gotta hang tough to make it. History repeats itself, try and you succeed. Never doubt that you're the one.
Triple threat match for the
This woman is ready to fight.
They say I'm trouble. They say I'm bad. They say I'm evil. And that makes me glad.
A dirty no good, down to the bone.
And her opponents, first, from Cardiff, Wales, the Princess.
Ladies and gentlemen, this match is for the vacant championship, which means tonight we finally crown one of these superstars as our next champion. And it's about time, if you ask me.
I feel so useless.
Misunderstood. Who's the baddest of them all? Welcome to my wicked world. Wicked world.
I'm rotten to the core, rotten to the core. I'm rotten to the core. Who can ask for more? I'm nothing like the kid next, like the kid next door. I'm rotten to the core. I'm rotten to the core.
Hey guys, it seems like nearly every little girl in this audience has one of her shirts on here tonight. It's not hard to understand why either. She really is a great role model, especially when you take into account just how much respect she has for the industry, the people in it, and the entire WWE universe.
Ain't got your back? Are we not friends? What's up with that?
So I'm a misfit. So I'm a flirt. I broke your heart. I made you hurt. The past is past.
And from England, E-Ray.
Here we go, guys. We're finally going to crown a new champion here tonight. Cole, this match right here is the absolute definition of history making. Whoever wins this will forever have their name in WWE history books. And that's really saying something.
You were that foundation, never gonna be another one, no. I followed, so taken, so conditioned I could never let go. Then sorrow, then sickness, then the shock when you flip it on me. So hollow, so vicious, so afraid I couldn't let myself see that I could never be held back up, no, I hold myself. Check the rep, yeah, you know my well. Forget the rest, let them know my hell. There and back, yeah, my soul ain't sell. Kept respect up, the best they fell.
Seems to me, guys, like she's incredibly proud of what she's been able to accomplish as of late. She should be proud, Michael. It's not easy to do what she's been able to do, but she also has to be careful not to become complacent.
Here comes a true superstar.
That stranger coming over here, and you don't recognize him. I know your preacher well. Got a voice like sugar in your tea, and he could sing it when it's song.
It's that respect that makes her so easy to root for. Desire and resolve will be tested tonight, all for the right to claim the championship.
A lot of turmoil to be expected in this fatal four-way, guys. That's the nature of the beast. Anyone can win at any time. It leads to a whole lot of chaos. Uh-oh. Here's the pin tunnel on the line. Go. Rope break. Pin stops. This is getting intense. Someone check on Saxton. Oh, shoulder, elbow, all affected with that. Oh, foot just stomping down. Neckbreaker. Oh, look at the knees. Burying knees into the body. Corey, what's your best shot at winning in a no disqualification match? You lean into the stipulate. Pin attempt for the championship. What a throw.
some respect, WWE Universe.
Able to reverse that one.
Uh-oh, jawbreaker.
Call it, Dennis. Oh, what a wind-up.
Sent into the corner. Ooh, forearm.
She scores big with the counter. Set up. Shining Wizard. Shoulders down. Championship on the line. And there's the breakup. Just in the nick of time.
Going up high with the punch.
Going coast to coast. Up and down. With the championship on the line. It only gets a 1 count.
I gotta tell you, I thought she was done there.
Right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
Kick to the midsection. Full head of steam. STO. Shoulders down. Championship on the line.
The pin's broken up.
I can't believe it. Oh, it's raking the back. Right to the kidneys from behind. She's getting back up,
But she might be down again soon.
and the clothesline.
Oh, he's punishing the right arm.
Trying to chop her down with a low kick.
She's got the whole WWE Universe rallying behind her.
Great counter, impressive ring IQ on display there. German suplex.
Two-handed.
She hit a tap for the championship. And there's the breakup, just in the nick of time.
She's looking highly motivated.
Now a pin for the championship. Running interference.
How insulting is that?
Oh, it's raking the back. This is not the time to be diverting attention away from your opponent. This isn't going to be pretty. Pavement neck breaker.
Gosh.
Kick gets caught. Gets inside the ring. Incoming. Outside of the ring now.
What's the plan here?
She's sent flying into the corner.
Enough already.
She turns it right around with a counter. Suplex.
That was just disrespectful.
Shoulders down. Championship on the line.
There's a crucifix. Nicely done. Right now, I just don't know what it's going to take.
Firm control. Wicked kick to the face. This is impressive. An inverted Texas cloverleaf submission. This is painful.
I'm not sure there's anything she can do here. She is trapped and in danger.
Byron, she can do this just like you. She breaks the hold. Down with the leg drop. Look at her answering back. Pin attempt for the championship. Enziguri. Right on the mark. Being carried around with ease. And the fighting back gets them out of a precarious position. Good timing with that reversal.
return to the ring now.
The close of this match is just ahead.
We're about to see how tough she really is.
Ooh, just turn that around.
Oh, look at that. Embracing her adoring public. Face first, here it comes.
Oh my God! Almost smash! And no countouts means she has the whole outside to play with.
Expected that one.
Ah, right to the back. German suplex.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent. Kick right to the leg.
With the championship on the line. Ooh, she responds with a counter. She still fights out in one.
She's not done yet, but you have to believe that she's still in all sorts of trouble here.
Giving the people a chance to take in her undeniable greatness.
Bruising attack to the stomach.
Ooh, brutal forearm. Face first with a waistlock takedown.
Gets caught by the hip attack. And hard to tell where she's still finding these bursts of offense.
Not everything's gone to plan for her, but she still has a chance to finish the job.
Goodness,
Now a pin for the championship. Climbs back inside. Breaks the close count.
she just won't stay down.
How's that for a counter? Did you hear that impact? She goes back inside the ropes. Oh, that backfired on her. Oh, ouch.
I don't know how there's anything left in these superstars' bodies.
Yeah, the tank is being emptied tonight.
Oh, a clothesline.
Not done yet.
Another one. Counters. This could be an opportunity.
We could be seeing a submission here.
Nice job getting to the ropes.
Really have no choice.
And she gets forced into the defensive.
It'll be an arduous task for her to recover after tonight's battle.
Right to the spine.
Looking for more damage here.
Release back suplex. She returns the favor there.
She has her target weighed and measured. Armringer. Oh, there it is. The Oscar lock is in. Taking a moment to let her know who the real superstar is here.
Oh, man. There's nowhere for her to go. This may be over quickly.
She's trying to fight it. She's trying her best.
With a championship on the line. 1, 2. No!
This is where desperation becomes a factor. Time to pull out all the stops.
Punishing.
Looking up, and the match continues.
That's teamwork. Oh, man, by the hair. Hair whip. Right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already. Golly, an endless trampling there.
Working on the arm. Up high.
Crossbody for the top.
Got all of it. Quick return to the ring. Insult to injury.
Great counter.
Brutal boot.
Cross the top. This is impressive. An inverted Texas cloverleaf submission. This is painful.
You feel like hope is starting to fade away right now. She might be just moments away from tapping out.
All right, she's back. Look at this. She really hit a attempt for the championship. Oh, now a pin for the championship.
was on the ropes.
Another reversal. Eye for an eye here. Made her pay for her mistake. Snap suplex. She's sent to the outside. There they go. She's taking things to ringside.
Knees meet face. And she's using this moment to summon all of her strength. Two-handed chokeslide.
She steers clear of that one. Oh, leg lariat.
Able to sidestep it.
Right on the patella. Producing a trampling. Oh, that was just malicious.
Insulting.
Comes back into the ring.
Setting up.
Fisherman suplex, class, shoulders down. Championship of the... Oh, here we got a new champion. Unbelievable.
Here is your winner and new Women's Pro Wrestling Champion, the Princess.
Truly a huge win for this superstar, or should I say, for the new champion. Tonight is definitely a night to celebrate, but let's not lose sight of the fact they have a long... She's in a fighting mood tonight.
And from Sin City, Anna Bell.
The arena's buzzing, social media's buzzing, a big fight feel, and a main event level match.
She certainly knows how to get a reaction, and she'll get an even bigger one when she wins this match.
It's anything goes, there's no rules. The only thing a superstar needs to do is to be the first to put their opponent through a table.
There's a change in a competitor's demeanor when they have to prepare for this type of battle because it's complete pandemonium.
No matter how you look at it, a tables match is the human skeletal system's worst nightmare.
She flips it back on her.
Oh, going right after the neck.
Carefully placed stomp to the arm. Making that shoulder vulnerable. From the middle of the rope, taking Hurricane Rana. Big drop of the leg. Corey, there are many ways that things can backfire during a tables match. How do you prevent that?
You can worry that your opponent might move just in time, but worrying doesn't get you very far. You have to accept that those are the risks you're going to take when going into a tables match.
A slap. Series of elbows looking to create separation. She does so.
Watch out!
Running Bulldog. Oh, yeah,
she's saying, let's go, bring it. Delivered with force.
Knee drop. Jeez. Drops the knee.
Oh, look at this. Trapped now in just a sharp elbow. Beautiful arm wringer applied. Oh, so accurate. Systematic attack on that shoulder.
Big elbow.
She might be in some trouble now.
So far, this tables match has been just as brutal as we anticipated. Ooh, sharp elbow.
Into the turnbuckle. Oh, what are they going to do here?
Set up in position.
Good leg moonsault. Oh, no, where'd the lights go out?
More importantly, where'd Byron go? Get back here, Saxton. Big impact off the neck breaker.
She heads out of the ring.
An interesting strategy.
Reversal. What a counter. Goes under the ropes to get back inside. She slips outside. What has she got in mind? Step up for the Russian leg sweep.
Nicely done.
She adjusts it and reverses it. Setting foot in the ring now.
Telling her opposition, you are way out of your depth here.
Moves outside. What's the plan here?
She saw that one coming.
Quick exchange of counters there.
Dodges the attack. Just a smooth twinkle.
Buster knee smash.
That looks painful.
Crashing down hard. She's taking some big hits here. Putting the shoulder in jeopardy there. She powered out.
Now would be the time for everyone to clear out.
Easier said than done. They're not concerned about anyone else's well-being.
Saw that one coming. She's in the ring now.
Oh, yeah. She is really getting fired up.
She's setting up a table in the corner. Something bad's about to happen here, guys. Get a right elbow.
DDT. Hey, nice kick out. This one is all over.
You can almost see the gears turning in their head as they set up the table.
Sends her through the table. What a win.
Here is your winner, Anna.
Going through the table like that adds salt to the wound of losing.
It's never fun to lose, but the added pain of going through a table is insult to injury. They are riding high on this.
You can never know what it's like. Your blood like winter freezes just like ice. And there's a cold and lonely light that shines from you. You wind up like the wreck you hide behind that mask you use. And did you think this fool could never win? Well, look at me, I'm coming back again. I got a taste of love and a simple win. And if you need to know while I'm still standing, you just fade away. Don't you know I'm still standing, better than I ever been. Looking like a true survivor.
on my brain like I ought to be. I need a purpose, I can't keep surfing through this existential misery. Now we're gonna need some real estate, but if I choose my words carefully, think I could fool you that I'm the guru. Wait, how do you spell epiphany?
Weighing in at 275 pounds, Mike
Guys, we finally crowned a new champion here tonight.
That's right, the title's been vacant for long enough. One of these superstars will be going home tonight as the new champion.
He always seems to have a great deal of respect for the sports entertainment industry, both past and present.
That truly is an important component to success, Michael. If you can gain an understanding of what those who came before you did to be successful, then you're sure to be successful yourself.
Watch your step, watch your mouth. We all know the way that a punk goes out. Watch your step, watch your mouth. We all know the way that a punk goes out.
Born 21 crows, nothing goes south for the supper when a home goes out. Checkerboard up on full death forms, hold via vaudeville canes. In a case for the claw marks Wayne, off Broadway to Godway. Our Father, commuters from the farms with news about Chupacabra. Transfuse soup at a fresh pulse, gold, I'm full blood suckers, only the young suffers. Pine box butcher, encouraging poor lighting. Set up all boards, not a sure sign of jarred lightning harsh. A sudden yellow spine diner was born, feral feeding the strongest organs up like tire swing art. Chipping the drip instead of broke bone grinders. More for the hive mind, less for the landmine finders. Fine, no tobacco leaders in the eatery, unless you count the way they let us heart to his tuxedo tee. Straight out the front. Born 22, cue the cutthroat mouth. Chew together when a home goes out. Etiquette of tart-tongued ghouls, never run truck jewels. Run a culinary school for gluttony, drunk wolves and guttural grunts. Smothering buttery long ramen. Early Santa Punk shows up on the diagnostic.
This guy is ready for a fight.
and from the Welsh Valleys, weighing in at 212 pounds, Mean Tommy D.
Guys, we finally crowned a new champion here tonight. That's right, the title's been vacant for long enough. One of these superstars will be going home tonight as the new champion.
Drops over the massive attack. I only make hits like I work with a racket and back. Look at my jacket and hat.
Corey, how important is it for a superstar to use their surroundings to their advantage?
It's vital. Since there are no rules, anything can be used as a weapon against your opponent.
Anything can be used in an attack when an individual is driven by malice and fueled by rage. It's a battle of attrition.
Adrenaline makes you do crazy things. I think that I know this qualification match favors the most heartless competitor in the ring.
Well, that's mostly true, but even the most rule-abiding superstars have risen to the occasion of a no disqualification match. When they're quickly on the cover with a title.
Breaks up the pin and the match continues.
Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now.
Oh, there's the old kick to the abdomen. Oh, boy. Nothing fancy there. Jumping knee drop. Shoulders down. Championship on the line. And the count's broken, keeping the match alive.
Scoop slam, making it look easy.
He's looking a little off balance. Answering back. Enough already. Getting tossed. Just stomping every single part of his body.
Crafty way to get out of harm there.
Arm drag. Very nice. Oh, knee right to the face.
That knee is a lethal weapon.
Rear chin lock, and now just rapid fire punches. Heads out, and he has all the time he wants. Uh-oh, watch out! Oh, the Russian leg sweep. Times two.
He's staring his opponent down, getting into that zone.
There's a fisherman suplex. Taking this outside. This could be good. Heel hook. Look at this. Oh, that's so painful.
Hard to watch, too.
Stretching and tearing at all the ligaments in the leg. Oh, stomping away. Makes him pay with a counter. Oh, a weakening arm breaker. And this match will head back to the ring.
Oh, man, you can see he is feeling it now.
Big impact. He climbs into the ring. Caught with a punch. Boom, what a punch. Well scattered reversal there.
And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins.
Talk about dismantling your opponent. And he's just flaunting his skills now.
Yeah, this match is in his favor now.
DDT for the title.
Oh, that can dislocate something.
And he manages to kick out at one.
Loose cover leads to a strong kick out.
Planted face first.
Pulls the...
Springboard. Goodness, well, 450. Oh, you can tell he's feeling it now. This fight is pumping him up.
Nice takedown. He's struggling a bit here. And his eyes are piercing through the opposition now. Launching. Oh, misses the mark. Coming back into the ring. Back to the action. That'll ring your bell. That'll break his arm. Vicious. Great wherewithal on the counter.
Oh, yeah. Let's just all take a moment to truly appreciate and embrace his presence.
He's ejected from the ring. He's taking this to the floor now.
Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now.
Oh, leg lariat. Taken down with a body slam. Big forearm. Right to the kidneys from behind. Face first with a waistlock takedown. And finds a counter. Push a moment. I'll fillet your chest. Right to the throat. Dismantling the arm in the corner. That'll break his arm. Vicious. DDT. Spike. Untwisted. There you go. Looking for the victory. And he breaks up the pinfall.
Let's keep fighting.
Oh, right to the kidneys. Michinoku driver. Wow. With a championship on the line. Okay, he's re-entering the ring. And down with the suplex.
Look at him. Pride and poise personified.
Tough position to be caught in here. Ooh. Well-placed kick. Getting tossed around. Huge toss. Ooh. Uh-oh. Right on the arm. He's one step ahead there. Look at this. Northern Lights. Countered it just in time. Silent punch. Seated knee strike. He takes control. All right, pin attempt for the championship. Crashing down with authority. Oh, kick connects. Big overhand. Just a barrage of stomps. The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on. Here it comes. Special delivery.